27. And they want to do this in order to make your party very weak. Then Atiku Abubakar must be very careful of his health. Yes, and Tinubu must not fall during campaign. If he falls during campaign, it's a bad omen, because I see him falling.
This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Primate Ayodele tó ti gbé àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ campaign 2027. Ẹ̀ka tí ń gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ní àwọn rí pé President Tinubu ò ṣubú. Wọ́n ní President Tinubu gbọ́dọ̀ ṣubú o torí tó bá tún ṣubú lọ́wọ́ yìí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ó máa kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni wọ́n fohùn ránṣẹ́ sí Àtíkù pé health ẹ̀ kò take care. Wọ́n láwọn rí third world war pé third world war táwọn rí yìí àwọn rò pé third world war máa ṣẹlẹ̀ o pé nǹkan kan máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tó máa fi avert third world war yìí ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ prophecy lẹ́nu Primate Ayodele àti gbogbo global prophecy àti Africa àti gbogbo ẹ̀ ni wọ́n mẹ́nu bà ẹ̀jẹ̀ àjọgbọ̀ kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ máa fi opinion sínú comment.
US will be overpopulated. Starvation is coming. Starvation. Then food crisis is coming. And global economic crisis is imminent. I say corrupt Bible in future. People will fall in love with it. These countries are planning to start nuclear weapon. Taiwan, Argentina, Brazil, South Africa, India, Pakistan. They are going to have nuclear weapons. I see Russia and US having misunderstanding. I see a nuclear weapon where it will cause pollution. I see Red Sea, red. I see moon, red. Marine world, that is marine field, will be red. I see a situation whereby sun will be dark. You may not understand what I'm saying. Will be dark. United States and Israel will soon be engulfed by Arab war. I'm telling you. They will soon. You see this third war we are shouting. It's calamity that will sweep away third world war. Disaster. Third world war is not certain. It's not realistic. But the countries that are pushing it, you see calamity. And in Africa, they will use Egypt as a base. That I tell you, that calamity will sweep that country away. Power will be shifted to Europe and Mediterranean countries. I have three solutions for Israel troubles with Palestine. Let both of them sit down and determine Jerusalem. When they sit down to determine what Jerusalem is all about, peace will come. Just note it. Then I see a chemical of bacteriological warfare. They will be using that in the near future to fight all this war. A country is going to create something like that. 10 nations wanted to hijack the world. China, North Korea, also US. These are 10 nations. These are ones I see. Russia, China, US, North Korea. They are coming to take over the world. Then solution number 2. Any treat, they should take away antagonists that Israel and Palestine wanted to sign. Let it be under force. If it's not force, they won't have peace. I see Mediterranean Confederation in the nearest future. The number 3 solution to this war is to get a new leader. That will be the solution. I see a leader coming from Europe and Arab. That will end Third World War. We are not going to see it at all. It's going to be a thing of a past. The land that Israel have taken from this Palestine, they will return it to. And they are going to be given huge money. Just mark it down and see. And wait and see if it's not going to happen. Then Israel and Russia will attack themselves. And that is going to end Russia's glory. The junta in Madagascar, he will contest because he wants to be civilian president. And the politicians will not allow it. They will struggle power with him. In Mauritius, there is going to be political crisis that will give the president a very tough time. In Cameroon, the president's son will be taken over from his father. And this is going to bring a very serious political turmoil in Cameroon. Equatorial Guinea, the moment your son succeeded you, is going to give you a very tough problems. And the country will somersaulted. And there's going to be a serious attack. Crisis, major one. Malawi president and the vice president will fight because of power. The vice president wanted to become president, and the president will not give it to him. Guinea-Bissau, political changes is coming. Problems is coming. Economic crisis and hardship is coming. Kenya, Ruto must be very careful. 2 of his obedient servants or political obedient people, they will disappoint him. And this will give him a shock. Tinubu is desperate to come back for a second time. Either Nigeria votes him or not, he will find his level. And this can cause political crisis. Nigeria can stand still because of this. Inside APC will fight APC. And they will start taking themselves to court and commit different blunders. Tinubu will start forming alliance and changes towards 2026, towards 2027, because he wants power at all costs. Many things will change. You can change ministers. You can change head of agencies. Number ADC. Another crisis is coming to scatter your formation. Get prepared for these troubles that is coming ahead. It's just to disarray your orderliness for 2027. And they want to do this in order to make your party very weak. Then Atiku Abubakar must be very careful of his health. Yes, and Tinubu must not fall during campaign. If he falls during campaign, it's a bad omen. Because I see him falling. Let him watch. NDC, stand well. Because enemies are after you. They want to disrupt your party that in this coming election, you will not make any single effort. Stand well, though. Senegal crisis is coming gradually. That they want to make sure that the president's efforts failed completely. And the president is at the verge of collapsing the system. Tinubu will not be able to do restructuring, but it's going to be political. He will make announcement of it, but it's not going to work. Because power that be will never allow it. The following Accountant General in Nigeria should watch Benue, Plateau, and Rivers. Be careful. Nigeria Premiership League will be upgraded and players will be happy. But let them pray not to lose any player on the field or attack or any players in process of traveling within states. Alex Oti, don't